Hello friends, it's us again from Crypto Potato. I am Dimitar and you know what's coming next, a new dose of recent crypto news. In today's video we'll focus on the factors suggesting that we might see a new bull run for Bitcoin, the latest crypto plans of Trump Media Group, some curious updates related to Ripple and XRP, and we'll also dig deeper into the recent Coinbase hack. For dessert we've saved something very interesting related to Satoshi Nakamoto, so stay with us. As usual, we start with the crypto market, where, however, nothing dramatic happened over the past 24 hours. Bitcoin continues to trade just above $105,000, Ethereum maintains its level around $2,600, while XRP slightly bounced to $2.25. Among the best performing cryptocurrencies is Hyperliquid, whose price surpassed $38 and later dropped to the current $36.50. In the red zone are Fartcoin and Monero. The total market capitalization of the sector is over $3 trillion and $400. Bitcoin seems to have consolidated at around $103,000 to $106,000 over the past few days, but some important indicators suggest that we might soon admire green candles again. Popular analyst Ali Martinez revealed that Bitcoin whales, those holding between 1,000 and 10,000 coins, have bought over 30,000 Bitcoins in the past 96 hours. This quantity is valued at over $3 billion. Such actions by large investors can have a serious impact on the price. After all, this reduces the available supply on the market, which, with increased demand, acts positively on the price. Also, huge purchases by so-called whales can have a psychological effect on the market and encourage smaller investors to start buying too. Another important factor we will emphasize is the decreasing amount of Bitcoin held on crypto exchanges. This suggests that investors are moving their assets from centralized platforms to self-custody methods, which in turn reduces selling pressure. Now let's focus on Trump Media and Technology Group, which filed documents with the SEC to create the Truth Social Bitcoin ETF, a new fund that will invest directly in Bitcoin. The ETF will be listed on the New York Stock Exchange with American company Yorkview Advisors as a development partner, and Foris DAX Trust Company will be responsible for the custody of the digital assets. This will be yet another spot Bitcoin ETF in the United States, where there are already more than 60 such products. Although the project carries symbolic weight because of Donald Trump's name, Bloomberg intelligence analyst Eric Balchunas notes that the competition is fierce and attracting liquidity will be difficult. There are also criticism regarding potential conflict of interest, but the White House assures that Trump has transferred his shares to a trust managed by his son. Meanwhile, existing American spot Bitcoin ETFs continue to gain popularity, recording total net inflows of $44.4 billion over 18 months. Now let's see what's new around Ripple. In recent weeks, there's been heavy speculation that the company intended to acquire Circle, the firm behind the USDC stablecoin, for more than $10 billion. Ripple's CEO Brad Garlinghouse, however, denied the rumors that the company had offered such an amount. At the XRP Las Vegas conference, he stated that such an offer had never been made, although it's possible that Ripple had shown interest in Circle. Meanwhile, Circle also denied the rumors and announced that it's focusing on its long-term goals, including a planned IPO. Garlinghouse commented on other topics as well. He revealed that Ripple plans to use RLUSD as collateral in the acquired Hidden Road and noted that XRP Ledger was selected for a real estate tokenization project in Dubai. He also called for unity in the crypto industry. In this context, it's important to mention that Ripple stablecoin was approved by Dubai regulators, allowing licensed firms in the Dubai International Financial Center to use it in their operations. As mentioned earlier, XRP is trading around $2.25, but optimism among crypto analysts remains high. One well-known ex-user predicted that the price could reach levels above $6. Jack the Rippler speculated that the new Genius Stablecoin Act could push the price to a staggering $250. Other analysts like Barry C. believed that $10 is just the beginning of an explosive rise. However, reaching such levels would require enormous market cap growth, surpassing even companies like Apple and Amazon. XRP Dragon is also optimistic, predicting that after the price range of $2 to $2.30, XRP will dominate this year. Despite these predictions, it is important to emphasize that they're too speculative, and do not guarantee success. Investors should conduct their own thorough research. We now move on to the crypto exchange Coinbase, which at the beginning of the year became a victim of a hacker attack. Since then, the company has been under increased scrutiny after revelations about a serious security breach affecting over 69,000 users. According to sources, the incident originated from a female employee of the Indian firm TaskUs, who secretly photographed her workstation and passed data to hackers in exchange for bribes. This led to the dismissal of over 200 employees in India and revealed an organized criminal scheme targeting Coinbase's support infrastructure. Although the incident resulted in a loss of $400 million, Coinbase officially disclosed the scale in May, following an SEC requirement due to a ransom demand. Although the data did not allow direct access to wallets, scammers used it for social engineering against users. A lawsuit has been filed against TaskUs for negligence, while Coinbase claims it took swift action and reimbursed affected customers. The case raises questions about the risk of outsourcing critical customer support to low-paid offshore workers. As promised earlier, we'll end with something extremely curious related to Satoshi Nakamoto. Latest data shows that the mysterious creator of Bitcoin now holds a fortune of nearly $117 billion in Bitcoin, thus surpassing the wealth of Bill Gates, valued at just over $116 billion. Interestingly, Nakamoto's wealth has never been activated, not a single Satoshi has been moved. Although Nakamoto's identity remains a mystery for more than 15 years, his wealth highlights the rise of cryptocurrencies as a new source of immense fortune. Nowadays, the innovator would be the 13th richest person on the planet, surpassing Michael Dell, Michael Bloomberg, Thomas Petterfy, and many other famous billionaires. Well, that's all for today, friends. Have a successful Wednesday and see you tomorrow.